Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this yummy mug cake. So let's get started. Here I have taken 3 tablespoons of flour in a mug. Then I'm adding half teaspoon of baking powder. Then I am adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then I am adding 1 egg. Then I am adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Then I'm going to mix it gently. After mixing it, I am going to add some chocolate syrup. Then I'm going to mix it again. After mixing it, I'm going to bake it in the micro oven for 2 minutes. I'm going to set the oven for 2 minutes. Wow, it looks so yummy. Yum. Now I'm going to take up the mug cake from the oven. Now I am decorating it by using some chocolate syrup and by using some chocolate chips. Wow, now my yummy mug cake is ready. See, hope you like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. Goodbye.